Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will clearly break down the Juniper Network Certified Design Associate, or JNCDA, syllabus so you know what to study and where to focus your time. The JNCDA exam is organized into 7 domains with exact weights you must know: Customer Requirements and Network Design Fundamentals 15%, Securing the Network 15%, Business Continuity and Network Resilience 15%, Campus and Branch Architecture 15%, Enterprise Data Center Architecture 15%, WAN Architecture 15%, and Automation and Management 10%. Each domain entry includes the primary focus, difficulty, and estimated study time. We will summarize what you will learn in each domain and highlight important topics to prioritize. Customer Requirements and Network Design Fundamentals is weighted at 15% and is considered easy with an estimated 8 hours of study. You will learn to evaluate business and technical requirements, identify constraints and risks, and assess existing infrastructure against growth projections. The domain emphasizes defining service level requirements and performing gap analysis, and it teaches the PPDIO life cycle model, scalability and modularity, and hierarchical design principles. Securing the network is 15% of the exam, medium difficulty, and recommends about 10 hours of study. This domain covers security design principles such as defense in depth, zone-based models, and both perimeter and internal security strategies. You will also learn specific security components and technologies, including NGFW-SRX devices, unified threat management, network access control, secure web gateway concepts, and intrusion prevention integration. Business Continuity and Network Resilience accounts for 15%, is medium difficulty, and suggests about 10 hours of study time. Candidates will learn high availability concepts like redundant hardware, link aggregation groups, virtual chassis and virtual chassis fabrics, graceful restart, and how to evaluate failover times and convergence. The domain also covers business continuity planning, including disaster recovery site design, multi-homing for ISP redundancy, VRRP for gateway redundancy, and backup and restoration path planning. Campus and Branch Architecture is weighted at 15%, rated medium difficulty, and has an estimated 12 hours of study. You will compare 2-tier and 3-tier campus designs, learn to implement Layer 2 and Layer 3 boundaries, plan VLANs and subnets, and account for PO and wireless LAN integration. Branch design topics include sizing small to large branch profiles, branch security and UTM, local breakout versus Internet edge design, and centralized versus distributed management strategies. Enterprise Data Center Architecture carries 15% of the exam, is the hardest domain, and recommends about 14 hours of study. Expect to learn data center design principles such as spine-leaf or CLO architectures, north-south versus east-west traffic patterns, IP fabric design, and VXLAN EVPN concepts for overlay fabrics. The domain also addresses data center interconnectivity, virtualization topics including VM networking and NFV, multi-tenancy and isolation, SDN controllers, and storage area network considerations. WAN architecture is 15% and medium difficulty with about 10 hours of study time recommended. You will compare WAN transport options such as MPLS, VPLS, and Layer 3 VPNs, evaluate dedicated Internet access and diverse transport paths, and design ISEC tunnels where required. The SD-WAN section explains benefits over traditional WAN, application-aware routing, centralized orchestration, zero-touch provisioning, and path selection for load balancing. Automation and Management is 10%, considered easy, and has an estimated 6 hours of study time. This domain focuses on practical network management and monitoring including SNMP, syslog, telemetry, out-of-band management, and configuration baselines, along with Juniper management options. It also covers automation methods such as Python and Ansible usage, netconf and REST APIs, zero-touch provisioning, infrastructure as code, and the role of DevOps in networking. To prepare effectively, allocate study time according to the domain weights and the recommended hours, and focus first on concepts that appear across multiple domains like redundancy, security, and fabric design. Review scenario-based questions and hands-on examples for data center and SD-WAN topics. and practice automation basics to earn the 10% in management. Good luck with your JNCDA preparation, and remember, steady, focused study beats last-minute cramming.